What we're doing today is sharing with you the fundamental time management strategies you need to stay productive in any situation you face, whether it's this current COVID-19 or any situation in the future. It was important before COVID, and it's even more important now to be able to pivot in any rapidly evolving situation. And the thing I want you, if you remember nothing else from today, the thing I want you to remember is while calendars and task apps are helpful tools, the key to time management is actually your brain. Time management truly is all about mind management because it's your brain that decides how you're going to spend every single second of every single minute of every single day. Your brain is going to decide whether or not you're going to procrastinate, and if so, for how long. Your brain will decide whether you're going to go down a rabbit hole when you are suddenly interrupted, or if you're going to curb that interruption and restructure your time in a way that benefits you and therefore benefits your team. If you understand the thinking and thought processes of successful time managers, you'll realize that you can decide where your time will go and that you do have the superpower to tell your time what to do.